This is a view of our Milky Way galaxy. Is Alpha Centauri in the Milky Way? Let's find out. In this video, we will see what Alpha Centauri is, and if it is located in the Milky Way galaxy. But before we begin, remember to give us a thumbs up and support us. Thanks. Alpha Centauri is a star system, and it is the closest neighboring star system to our own. It is located in the constellation of Centaurus, which lies in the southern, celestial hemisphere. The distance from Earth to Alpha Centauri is about 4.37 light-years. The system is made up of 3 stars, Alpha Centauri A, B, and C. The first 2 are similar to our Sun, and they are tightly packed in orbit around each other. The third one, Proxima Centauri, is much smaller and cooler, and it orbits around the other 2 at a greater distance. The star that is closest to us is Alpha Centauri A, and it is just 4.22 light-years away from Earth. It is an interesting place because it is considered one of the relatively few locations in the Milky Way that may offer conditions that are favorable to terrestrial life. Now it is time to take a closer look at Alpha Centauri A and B. These 2 stars are very similar to our Sun, and they are tightly packed in orbit around each other at a distance of just 11.2 astronomical units. This is much closer than the average distance between the Sun and any other star in the Milky Way. Because they are so close to each other, these 2 stars can be seen as a single, bright point of light from Earth. However, with the help of powerful telescopes, astronomers have been able to resolve them into 2 separate stars. Alpha Centauri A is slightly more massive than the Sun and is about 1.1 times its size. Alpha Centauri B is slightly smaller than the Sun, with a mass and radius of about 90% of the solar mass and radius respectively. Both stars are slightly more massive and larger than our Sun, but they are also much hotter. This means that they emit much more light than the Sun, making them appear brighter in the night sky. Despite being much hotter, both stars are slightly cooler than the Sun. Their atmospheres are cooler than the Sun's atmosphere, meaning that they emit less light at longer wavelengths. This makes them appear redder than the Sun. In contrast, Proxima Centauri is much smaller and cooler than the other 2 stars. It is about half the size of the Sun and has a mass of only 0.3 times the solar mass. It is also much fainter than the other 2 stars, appearing as a faint red dot in the night sky. Despite being much smaller and cooler than the other stars in the system, Proxima Centauri is the closest star to Earth. It is located just 4.22 light-years away from us, whereas the other 2 stars are about 11.2 light-years away. It is still unclear whether or not there is life on Proxima B. However, scientists are hopeful that future missions to the star system will provide more clues. With its close proximity to Earth and its potential for habitability, Alpha Centauri is a star system that is sure to continue to fascinate humans for many years to come. Did you know that the Milky Way is home to at least 100 billion stars? And Alpha Centauri is just one of them. Click here to learn more about the Milky Way. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.